February of 2025, I got my dream car. And I'm gonna let y'all know how it's been having this car for around 6 months. So right here is my 2001 C5 Corvette in dark bowling green. My first vehicle, like actual vehicle, was a GMC 2014. It was lifted, had a lot of custom things done to it. It was really cool, but it was really high mileage. And ever since I was a little kid, I've always had a dream of having a Corvette, or just a sports car in general, but it was always a Corvette. Like, I was saving up for one when I was 7. So I got this car in February 2025 in my junior year. I had no idea how to drive a manual car before this. Sorry. So it took me some time to learn. Now, I'd only say it was like 2 weeks for me to learn how to actually drive, but for me to get good, probably like a month. I didn't go to school in my car for a week. I drove my mom's car, so I wouldn't embarrass myself. But after that, I got it down pretty fast. So the main part for me learning how to drive wasn't necessarily going through the gears. It was really like rolls, like going from stops and rolls is really the hard part, like traffic, all that. So if you're watching this video and you're nervous about getting a manual, which I would definitely recommend the manual over the automatic. But yeah, if you're watching this video and you're nervous about driving a manual because you never had one before, I'm serious, it will not take you that long. If you just understand really the basics of what driving manual is. I played a simulator for a very long time with the manual, and I know it sounds stupid, but that actually did help me a lot. And I know that sounds stupid, but it actually does help you because you understand the concept of going through the gears. And I also drove a four-wheeler before that, so like it wasn't that surprising to have to know like when to shift, all that. First vehicle I ever got was when I was 5, and it was a 1950s Chevy truck. Now this truck I want to keep and build eventually, but right now it's like a rust bucket. It's been sitting for ages. It has an inline 6. So behind me is this beauty. This is my 1965 Thunderbird. It runs and it drives. It just needs new tires, so I can't really drive around right now. So I got this around when I was like 14. My dad found a good deal on Marketplace. We haven't actually done nothing to it, but when I'm older, I'd like to build it into like kind of like a lowrider, like not make it much faster, do nothing like that. I mean, it's already slow to boat, but I was thinking like maybe put some US Supremes on it, bag it, and just make it look overall pretty cool. Okay, let's see if it starts. So this car actually will start, but it hasn't been started in around like 6 to 7 months, so it's been a while. So my car has literally everything you can think of when you think of modding a C5. From the sleepy eye pop-up lights, the carbon wide body, and the fat cam. Everything done to my car has been things I've been dreaming of. Now these wheels have really grown on me. I really like them. I think it really fits like the whole vibe of everything I've got going on. I got these laser corner lights. These are actually Infiniti lights. You just can't see them in the sun, but at night they look amazing. A spoiler, side skirts, and front splitter. Those are the things that came with my car, including a cam and a lot of the performance things, but I've recently added some things. So actually my first mod, as soon as I got this car, my dad put a sub in it. It's a 12-inch sub, and it actually hits pretty hard. Hey, in the belly of the beast where I made it sick. Yeah, pressure, game of red. Have my colors, they on my days. So if y'all aren't new here, y'all would know I've recently put these corner lights on my car. They are from Street Huggers, and I've been really wanting them, like, even before I had my car. You can change a lot of things, like the lights, you can do like different modes and do all that stuff, but personally, I really just like the white. I think it looks really clean, and it makes my car look way more modern. Now, excuse the mess, but this is my short shifter by MGW's, the flat stick. I love it. Honestly, this is one of my favorite things I've done to my car because it makes the whole car drive way smoother and just feels way more complete. I love how it's just very easy because I put the anti-venom bushing in it, and it makes it where I can just go like this. It goes in. If you don't put that, it's really mechanical. It's really just up to you, but the shortness of the shifter is amazing. It's really direct, so whether you're just like cruising or you're racing, it just flies into gear way easier than the original one. So recently I just got a cold air intake. Now I'm really happy with this cold air intake because it sounds really good, like you just heard. It feels really good, and my car feels way smoother throughout the RPMs. Now I wouldn't say this is a must, but since my car is modded and it's not stock at all, I'm actually really happy with it because the car just feels way less choked. It just feels way cleaner. So I would definitely recommend this if you aren't stock or if you're just wanting a little bit of power, but it is expensive. It's $600. Mine was $670, but I'm sure there's cheaper out there, but I definitely recommend this one right here because this one's amazing. It's from Haltech, and yeah, it's really good. Now I know this doesn't matter much, but I'm running the TR5, I believe, spark plugs. They're a little colder. They feel amazing, really snappy. That's what most people recommend. And I'm also running Dragonfire wires. I did have the Taylor wires, but they were burning because my long tube headers, they were actually touching. So if you have long tube headers, be prepared that their wires may burn. I personally like these more, and my dad personally like these more because they fit better. In 6 months, the only issues I've had was a sensor from my throttle body. That sent me in limp mode. I had to fix that. I reset the code, cleaned the throttle body, and cleaned my air filter. After that, it went away. Recently, it came back, went away again. I don't know what it is. I have the sensor to fix it. Another thing would be my traction control sensor. Something messed up on it. I gassed it when it was icy. Now that happens sometimes. I'm not really that concerned by it, but I haven't really had a major issue. My AC has been out twice. Fixed that, was a fuse. Besides that, I have not really had an issue that hasn't been caused by me or the last owner, which would be like PCV valve, I think it's called, was messed up. Other than that, I've had no issues whatsoever. My harmonic balancer has already been fixed because the last owner did that, and I'm assuming that's why he cammed it. Because, by the way, I did not cam it. If y'all think I did, no, I did not. The C5 Corvette is just a great car overall. Like, these 6 months, I've not had an issue really mechanically that much, just like more sensors because the car is 20 years old. The LS is just a great sounding engine. It runs amazing. You have torque the whole way. If y'all enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm gonna try to make more videos more often, more shorts and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time.
Yeah.